Pour baking soda on your mattress and see what happens. You spend a third of your life sleeping, or attempting to do so it's important to make sure you have the right mattress. But mattresses are expensive, and if you don't take good care of yours, you'll have to replace it more often. One scary fact about mattresses is that they can harbor all kinds of nasty things, including dust mites, mold, and bacteria. Let me just break it down for you. Dust mites are like the cockroaches of the bed world. They love to hang out on your mattress because they're warm and cozy, and because they love to feast on your dead skin cells. They also leave behind fecal matter containing allergens, which means those invisible triggers for asthma and eczema flare-ups are hiding under your covers. Mold loves to grow in damp places like your mattress, and since there's plenty of moisture in there already, thanks to sweat or bodily fluids, it makes sense that people can develop allergies or asthma from these kinds of mold spores. Bacteria love wet environments too, so mattresses are prime real estate for them as well. If this all sounds gross, well, that's because it is gross. But the good news is that there are things you can do to help keep your mattress clean and allergens at bay. The first thing you need to do is strip your mattress and toss your sheets in the wash. Sweat, when mixed with bacteria, causes that distinct human smell we've come across before when standing next to someone who hasn't showered lately. Well, this unpleasant odor can build up on your bedding too. This is why it's so important to wash your sheets regularly. This can be every 1 or 2 weeks, depending on how much you sweat and how many times you sleep in your bed. While your sheets are in the wash, it's time to vacuum the mattress. Vacuuming is a simple and effective way to remove allergens and dust mites from your mattress. This is where a soft brush attachment comes in handy for getting rid of any dust that has settled on the surface of your bedding. The crevice tool will help you get into the little nooks and crannies of your mattress where allergens can hide. Next, sprinkle some baking soda on the mattress. Then walk away for 10 to 20 minutes while it sits there and absorbs all of the nasty odors. When you come back, vacuum up the baking soda. You'll notice that your mattress already smells better. This method works well with fabric-covered mattresses, as well as cushions and pillows that are susceptible to odor issues. If you notice any surface stains that bother you, now is the time to tackle them. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt to a cup of cold water. Lightly moisten a cloth with this solution and gently rub the area in a circular motion. Then blot it dry with a towel. Be sure to let the area dry completely before putting on your freshly washed sheets. Now, if your mattress has deep set stains, really bad odors, or worse, bed bugs, it's best to call in a professional. They will know how to clean your mattress effectively and safely. And last but certainly not least, consider investing in a waterproof mattress cover if you don't already have one. It's a great way to protect your mattress and keep it clean and dry. A mattress cover can also help keep dust mites and other allergens out, which is especially important for people with asthma or allergies who might already be sensitive to their environment. It's also imperative that you flip and rotate your mattress every 6 months to protect it from premature damage. This will spread out the wear and tear that comes with sleeping in the same spot or position every night. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.